Yes, that's right. You can easily remove watermarks from any image or video, and it requires no advanced editing skills at all. It almost feels like cheating. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, you'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Remove videos watermarks. Open HitPaw Edimakor, and you'll see Remove Watermark right on the home page. You can also find it inside the toolbox. This feature works for both videos and images. Let's start with removing watermarks from a video. Upload the video you want to process. You can upload up to 10 videos at once, and each video can be up to 1 hour long. Just keep in mind, if you upload multiple videos, their watermarks must be in the same position. Otherwise, separate them into different sessions. On the sidebar, you'll also find Subtitle Remover for removing subtitles from TV shows or movies, and Quick Blur for blurring specific areas. Click Remove, and a pop-up will tell you the output will be compressed to 1080p. Don't worry, later you can use the video enhancer to upgrade the video to 4K. A few seconds later, your watermark-free video is ready. Super easy. Step 3. Remove images, watermarks. Alright, now let me show you how to remove watermarks from images. Upload the images you want to clean up. You can import up to 20 images at once. If the images you upload have watermarks in different locations, make sure to select the Auto Remove option. The system will automatically detect and remove all watermarks across all images. Extremely convenient. You also have Manual Remove and Quick Blur available in the sidebar if you need more control. Once everything looks good, click Remove, and just like that, the watermarks disappear without a trace. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.